Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and analyzing the traffic patterns and conditions in a given area. In Kotla Mubarakpur, Delhi, the presence of traffic surveyors is highly important due to the heavy traffic flow and congestion that is often experienced in this area. These professionals are trained to collect data on various aspects of traffic, such as vehicle volume, speed, and movement patterns. By conducting surveys and using advanced technology, traffic surveyors are able to provide valuable insights that can be used for planning and implementing effective traffic management strategies. Kotla Mubarakpur is a bustling locality in Delhi that is known for its commercial activities and residential areas. However, the high population density and the presence of several commercial establishments contribute to heavy traffic congestion in this area. To address this issue, traffic surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur are responsible for conducting surveys to gather data on the traffic volume and movement patterns. This data helps in identifying the main causes of congestion and can be used to develop effective solutions. The role of traffic surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur is not limited to just collecting data. They also analyze the collected data to identify trends and patterns that can help in understanding the traffic flow dynamics of the area. By studying the data, traffic surveyors can identify peak traffic hours, bottlenecks, and areas prone to accidents. This information is crucial for designing appropriate traffic management measures, such as signal timings, road widening, or implementing one-way routes. In addition to data collection and analysis, traffic surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur also play a significant role in designing effective traffic management solutions. Based on their findings, they work closely with transportation engineers and planners to develop strategies that can alleviate congestion and improve traffic flow. This may involve recommending changes in road infrastructure, such as adding lanes or creating dedicated bus lanes. They may also suggest implementing traffic calming measures, such as speed humps or roundabouts, to reduce accidents and improve overall safety. SCON Design is a renowned design firm in Delhi that specializes in providing innovative solutions for various sectors, including transportation and urban planning. In collaboration with traffic surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur, SCON Design aims to develop comprehensive and sustainable designs that address the unique challenges faced by this area. By combining their expertise in traffic management and design principles, SCON Design can create solutions that not only improve traffic flow but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of the area. In conclusion, traffic surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur play a crucial role in assessing and managing the traffic conditions in this busy locality. Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and analyzing the flow of traffic in a specific area. In the case of Kotla Mubarakpur, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, traffic surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys to gather